Wait, stocks pay you money? Most people think you only make money by selling stocks, but let me explain the secret of the wealthy. This is Coco. She runs a massive coconut empire. Every single year, her company makes millions of dollars in extra profit after paying the bills. She doesn't just keep it all, she decides to say thank you to her investors by sharing those profits directly with anyone who holds a share. This payout is called a dividend. Max owns just one tiny slice of the company, but that makes him a partial owner. So, every 3 months, a cash deposit hits his account. He didn't sell the stock. He didn't work a shift. He just held the asset. Think of it like planting a fruit tree. You don't chop the tree down for wood. You just collect the fruit it drops every season forever. Some companies pay dividends like clockwork. Winter, spring, summer, fall. It's like getting a bonus check 4 times a year. But here is the smart move. Max reinvests his dividends to buy more shares. Now he owns 2 slices, so next time he gets paid double. This is the snowball effect. Stop trading time for money and start buying assets that pay you to sleep. Cha-ching.